Hello, is there a way to tell the age basked on a Hoshizaki commercial ice machine and bin model #XXXXX XXXXX 250 BWE? The serial #XXXXX XXXXX 1568A.
Hello Darren, and thanks for choosing the JustAnswer.com appliance category. If you need to find the age of a Hoshizaki machine, just get the serial number. It starts with a letter and then 5 numbers. The letter is the year of production, e.g. a 1990-91 B 1991-92. U 2010-11, B 2011-12, so H equals 1997 to 1998 ROMER 200941320.1205277546.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.